When designing Ontario Sports Empire, performance doesn't stop on the field. It drives every aspect of the complex, from elite athletic play to the overall guest experience. Creating usable outdoor space in Southern California means understanding the science behind sun angles, heat gain, and long-term environmental performance. Thoughtful shade design can reduce surface temperatures, improve spectator comfort, and extend daily playability across every season. That strategy begins at the nursery. Tree selection is deliberate. Species are evaluated for canopy spread, growth rate, drought tolerance, root behavior, and long-term maintenance needs. Tree placement is strategically mapped to maximize cooling while preserving sight lines, circulation, and field operations, ensuring the landscape performs just as intentionally as the athletic fields. And now that vision is taking root. Palm trees already installed across the site establish vertical scale, define gathering spaces, and create an immediate sense of arrival. While canopy trees will deliver long-term cooling performance, these early plantings signal the identity and experience that's beginning to take shape. But living shade is only one part of the equation. From a landscape architecture perspective, engineered shade structures begin with analysis. Our team conducts shade studies at multiple times of day and across seasons, modeling solar movement to pinpoint exactly where structures should be located, how they should be oriented, and what angles will provide the greatest thermal benefit without compromising sight lines. Custom-designed tensile membrane shade structures anchor key spectator zones, carefully positioned to maximize coverage throughout the day. Beyond their sculptural presence, they deliver immediate thermal comfort and extend year-round usability. Together, living systems and structural systems work as one, transforming open fields into a true destination environment. Ontario Sports Empire isn't just designed for tournaments, it's designed for families, for community, and for full-day experiences. This is where performance, sustainability, and user comfort come together. The future of play starts here.